Looking for a smarter way to visualize, customize, and export mathematical functions, all in one click? Say hello to the Function Interface tool, a VBA-powered solution that lets us preview, edit, plot, and export any function in seconds. With this tool, one can visualize functions instantly, customize function dynamically, export XLSX data, and access web reference. Let's check out some function for quick demonstration about Function Interface tool. Select quadratic function from the drop-down. Next, we can preview f of x. At the top, we have function definition. If you wish to read more about the function, go to the question button at the top right. It will take us to the trusted web reference, where we can know function definition, properties, and its application. At the bottom, we have boundary condition given for the function, the domain, and range for x and y respectively, which must comply. Next, we can go to edit f of x. It will open a dedicated edit window for the selected function. Here we can select reference axis between x and y. By default, we have given y as reference output axis. That means we have input range is valid for given x value between x min to x max. Input range will apply for y value if we are selecting x as reference output axis. We can customize the function parameters m, n, and c. First, we will try to understand the boundary condition for the given function. For quadratic function, we have x and y tends to real number. The only constraint what I can see is coefficient m of x square, which cannot be 0 if we proceed with m equals 0, n equals 1, and c equals 2. Warning pop-up, stating we are going to get the linear plot and not the quadratic plot. Say OK, and here we have linear function plot, ready for y equals x plus 2. Fine. So let's get our first quadratic plot. Here we are putting m equals 0.5, n equals 2, c equals negative 10 in the given input range x min to negative 20 and x max to 15. Hit plot, and you get your desired curve. At the left, you can check out the data points for the plotted function starting from x equals minus 20 and go till x equals 15. Default button will restore our default value for the function's parameters, input range, and reference axis. Now we can close the edit window. Next, we would like to export the plotted function data points. Click Download f of x. It will download the selected function plot and data points in our local download folder as quadratic function.xlsx. Let's check out the exported function. Here we have our results for quadratic function y equals f of x equals 0.5x square plus 2x minus 10 in the given input range x value of negative 20 to 15. Now we are very much clear about the working features of Function Interface tool. Let's preview some other function. Next, I am selecting Gaussian function from drop-down. You can preview f of x and/or you can directly go to edit f of x. Let's plot the Gaussian function with default value parameters for given amplitude, mean, standard deviation, and offset in the given input range, and set reference axis y. Let's change the reference axis to x and plot. Now we will try to make some mistake. At the bottom, it stats that amplitude a value cannot be 0. Also, standard deviation O should be always positive. Let's put a equals 0 or O equals 0. Plot, we get the error message for the same. Now we understood, we need to correct ourselves. Put a equals 1.2, n equals negative 2.2, O equals 2.5, and hit plot. Here we have Gaussian plot, ready to preview and download. Lastly, we will check out one more function. Let's select from the drop-down, logistic growth function. We can preview f of x to see the plot with default value. The data points will get updated and ready to export only if we do plot from edit window. It's fun time. Let's draw a masterpiece with help of Fourier function. Wait, it looks beautiful, but the plot might not correct for the given input parameters. However, the logged data points will be correct. It's just the limitation of Excel for extreme data points. That's all from Function Interface tool. To know more about the features and plot, check out the documentation. The user guide, all the listed function, version 0.1 2025 release, definition, boundary condition, default plot, and real-world application are given in Function Interface tool documentation, comes alongside the Function Interface tool XLSM application file. Do not forget to check out at Order Request Form. You can raise a request for the Function Interface tool, include XLSM application file and documentation. With the given order request form in the video description below, it is completely free for everyone. So let's try this today and share your valuable feedback and problem statement with us. Please do like and share the video with your friends and family who really need the Function Interface tool. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to A2 Matrix for application, algorithm, and analytics solutions.